Hi guys, I am making spicy chickpeas today. It is from my book Healthy Indian. So in case you want a written recipe, as a lot of you want, it is in my book. Right, so this recipe I like because it's ready in minutes, it's healthy, it's delicious like all other recipes. But in the book I have given 4 options, 4 ways of serving this recipe, because you can make the spicy chickpeas and you can if you want to have it very often, you can serve it with a different topping every time, so it tastes a bit different. So here are 4 variations of how to serve, but today I'm going to serve the spicy chickpeas with some roasted spicy cauliflower. So a hot pan to start with and some sunflower oil. I'm going to use around 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds and let them sizzle. Then goes in some red onions. I have got 2 medium-sized red onions and I have roughly chopped them. The key is to cook them on a medium heat for around 10-12 minutes and get them to lightly golden. Also adding some green or red chili, whatever you have at home, to add a little bit of kick. Then goes in 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. And now the key is to cook this, because if you add the chickpeas straight away now, it will have a really sour tone and you need to cook down the tomato puree for 10 minutes on low heat. And just 100 ml of water, that will help cook the tomatoes and prevent it from burning. Then go in all the spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix it all up. So I've got 800 grams of chickpeas, that's 2 tins, and that goes in now. And I'm just going to add a drizzle of water, maybe 50 or 100 ml. Just bring it to a boil. Once it starts to bubble up, I'm going to cover it and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Now while our chickpeas are cooking, I'm going to prep the cauliflower. Cut them in small florets. I've got the washed cauliflower florets here, and to this I'm going to add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a teaspoon of oil. Then we mix it up really well. This will go in the oven at 180°C for 20 minutes. And here is our spicy chickpea ready. And in goes a good handful of fresh coriander leaves. You can add some lovely fresh dill if you like. It goes beautiful in this recipe. This is a very popular recipe from the book, which a lot of people have tried because it's quick and it's delicious and it's healthy, and you can change the toppings. So I'm going to serve this right now and then sprinkle the roasted cauliflower on top. This is beautiful on its own, so you can have it like this. But of course, adding a few things on top is only going to make it even more delicious. The cauliflower is soft and it's lightly charred at places, which is amazing. And then this can go on top of our chickpeas. sorry, I could not wait any longer because that was smelling so good and inviting that I just had to take a few bites. It's such a kind of lovely dish, quite wholesome, but at the same time I'm thinking this is amazing in the winters because it's warming and filling and, you know, comforting. But this at room temperature will taste amazing in the summers as well. You can barbecue some bits of veg and then throw it on top of these spicy chickpeas and serve it with some salads, some coleslaw. I'm thinking, you know, just amazing with some barbecued meats. Oh, so yeah, please do give this a go. Subscribe, press the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. Share this video, give us a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and yes, do not forget to try this at home. Do try this at home. So lovely.